How to trade stocks on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade stocks on Robinhood. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First thing what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood, whether on the web or the application itself. Now there, what you want to do is you want to head into your particular stock detail page. Now if you wish to buy a particular stock, what you can do is at the bottom, once you have linked your account, once you have verified your account, unlike me, I haven't done so, you'll get the search icon there, right? If you have verified your account, you'll get the search bar at the bottom of your screen, the search icon or the magnifying glass icon. You want to simply tap on it and you can search in for a particular stock or ETF that you wish to sell or buy, or the crypto as well. So once you do so, if you tap on that particular share detail page there, you'll be able to see the trade option there if you have verified your account, and then under trade you'll find the option to buy. You can simply tap on buy and you can go ahead and buy the particular share. So this way you can buy a stock or crypto on it. Similarly, if you want to sell, you want to head into the particular stocks detail page and then tap on trade again, and you'll get the sell option there as well. So you can get it, the buy or sell option and the trade option. You can go ahead and do it so from there. So this way you can trade stocks on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.